Ever wondered if there's a Willy Wonka-style Nutella river flowing through the factory? Well, we hate to burst your chocolate bubble, but the reality is even more fascinating. In this video, we'll show you the true magic behind Nutella production. From high-tech roasters to precision filling machines, you'll see that while there might not be any Oompa Loompas, the process is nothing short of extraordinary. Get ready for a journey that's equal parts science and deliciousness. Our journey begins with a single hazelnut, nestled among thousands in a sun-dappled grove in Turkey. This tiny seed holds the potential to become part of the world's favorite chocolate spread. But first, it must survive a gauntlet of challenges. The life of our hazelnut starts in spring when the tree's catkins release their pollen, carried by the wind to the small red female flowers. If successfully pollinated, the flower develops into a cluster of nuts, each protected by a leafy husk. As summer progresses, our hazelnut grows within its green shelter, slowly developing its characteristic round shape and hard shell. But the path from blossom to harvest is fraught with peril. Pests pose a constant threat, with hazelnut weevils and filbert worms eager to make a meal of the developing nut. Farmers must vigilantly monitor their groves, implementing integrated pest management strategies to protect the crop without resorting to harmful chemicals. Weather, too, can spell disaster for our hazelnut. Late spring frosts can damage the delicate flowers, while summer droughts stress the trees and impact nut development. Hailstorms pose a particular risk, potentially scarring or knocking down the nuts before they're ready for harvest. To combat these challenges, farmers employ a range of careful cultivation techniques. Pruning ensures optimal sunlight reaches all parts of the tree, promoting even nut development. Irrigation systems deliver precise amounts of water, helping trees withstand dry spells. Some farmers introduce beneficial insects to control pest populations naturally, reducing the need for pesticides. Sustainability is key in modern hazelnut farming. Many groves now use cover crops between tree rows, preventing soil erosion and providing habitat for pollinators. Composting of pruned branches and other organic matter helps return nutrients to the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. As autumn approaches, anticipation builds in the grove. Our hazelnut, having weathered spring frosts, summer heat, and the constant threat of pests, is nearly ready for harvest. Its shell has hardened to a rich brown, and the kernel inside is packed with oils and nutrients. Finally, the day arrives. Mechanical harvesters move through the grove, gently shaking the trees. Our hazelnut, along with its siblings, falls onto nets spread beneath the trees. It's quickly gathered and transported to a sorting facility where it passes a series of quality checks. Size, weight, and appearance are all scrutinized. Against the odds, our hazelnut makes the cut. It's deemed worthy of becoming part of the iconic Nutella spread. But this is just the beginning of its journey. From the Turkish grove, it will travel across continents, undergoing further processing before it reaches its final delicious destination. As our hazelnut is packed for transport, a new chapter in its adventure begins. The grove falls quiet, but the excitement is just building. What challenges await our little nut as it embarks on its global journey? The path from harvest to jar is long and full of surprising twists. While our hazelnut rests in its shipping container, a hidden battle rages around it. Moisture, pests, and time itself conspire to destroy the precious cargo. How do 70% of the world's hazelnuts make it safely from Turkish orchards to Nutella factories across the globe? The answer involves a complex dance of technology, timing, and a touch of magic. Our hazelnut's journey begins as it's carefully loaded onto trucks with millions of its fellows, destined for processing plants around the world. The logistics of this massive migration are staggering. Turkey, the world's hazelnut powerhouse, must efficiently move its crop to major importers like Italy and Germany, where Nutella production awaits. the challenges start immediately. Hazelnuts are sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity. Too much moisture can lead to mold growth, while extreme heat can cause the nuts to go rancid. Specialized climate-controlled containers keep the hazelnuts at optimal conditions throughout their voyage, whether by land, sea, or air. But environmental control is just the beginning. Pests pose another significant threat. Tiny insects or their eggs, invisible to the naked eye, could hitch a ride with the hazelnuts, potentially causing widespread contamination if left unchecked. To combat this, shipments undergo rigorous fumigation processes and inspections at multiple points along the journey. Quality checks are relentless and meticulous. Before leaving Turkey, and again upon arrival at their destination, hazelnuts face a gauntlet of tests. Size, weight, and appearance are scrutinized. Samples are cracked open to inspect the kernels inside. Advanced imaging technology scans for internal defects invisible from the outside. Human inspectors play a crucial role in this process. Their trained eyes catch imperfections that machines might miss, ensuring that only the finest hazelnuts make it to the next stage of Nutella production. It's a testament to the care and craftsmanship that goes into every jar. As our hazelnut approaches the factory gates, anticipation builds. What fate awaits it inside? The first step in its transformation might surprise you. Rather than being immediately ground into paste, the hazelnuts undergo a carefully controlled roasting process. This crucial step not only enhances their flavor, but also helps separate the nuts from their shells, preparing them for the next stage of their Nutella journey. But before our hazelnut can be roasted, it faces one final hurdle. A team of quality control experts examines the shipment, ensuring that no undesirable materials have snuck through to potentially spoil the iconic flavor of Nutella. Only after passing this last inspection does our hazelnut truly enter the realm of chocolate spread greatness. As the factory doors open to receive the shipment, our hazelnut trembles with excitement. Its long journey from a Turkish grove is nearing its end, but its transformation has only just begun. What wonders await inside the Nutella factory? The next chapter in our hazelnut's adventure promises to be its most thrilling yet. As our hazelnut enters the factory, it's about to meet its delicious destiny. But there's another crucial ingredient waiting in the wings, one that travels an even more incredible journey. Did you know that the cocoa in your Nutella undergoes a transformation so complex it makes hazelnut processing look simple by comparison? In lush tropical forests, cocoa pods grow on trees, waiting for their moment to shine. When the time is right, skilled workers carefully select and harvest only the highest quality pods by hand. This meticulous selection process ensures that only the finest cocoa will make its way into your jar of Nutella. Once harvested, the real work begins. Workers split open the cocoa pods, revealing the treasure inside, cocoa nibs surrounded by a sweet, white pulp. These nibs are the key to chocolate's rich flavor, but they're not ready for Nutella just yet. First, they undergo a crucial drying process that allows them to develop a protective skin layer. This drying stage is where cocoa farming faces some of its biggest challenges. Pests and diseases can wreak havoc on drying cocoa, potentially ruining entire batches. Adverse weather conditions pose another threat, as too much rain or humidity can lead to mold growth. Farmers must constantly monitor their crop, adjusting drying times and conditions to ensure the perfect result. After drying, the cocoa nibs embark on a flavor-enhancing journey through the roaster. This process not only deepens the cocoa's taste, but also prepares it for the next stage of transformation. Once roasted to perfection, specialized machines separate the cocoa beans from their outer husks, leaving behind only the purest cocoa essence. The final step in this intricate process turns these roasted, cleaned beans into the fine cocoa powder that will eventually join our hazelnut in Nutella. Powerful grinders break down the beans, releasing their rich oils and creating a smooth, uniform powder that's bursting with chocolate flavor. Throughout this journey, many cocoa farmers participate in fair trade practices. These initiatives aim to ensure that farmers receive fair compensation for their labor-intensive work and encourage the use of sustainable farming methods. This commitment to ethical sourcing adds another layer of care to every spoonful of Nutella. As the cocoa powder awaits its reunion with our hazelnut, you might wonder, how exactly do these cocoa pods become part of the Nutella spread we know and love? The answer lies in precise mixing and blending techniques that combine the cocoa with other key ingredients, creating that signature Nutella taste and texture. With the cocoa ready and our hazelnut eagerly waiting, the stage is set for these ingredients to finally come together. But before they can merge into the spread we crave, there are still more components to add to this delicious symphony. The Nutella creation process is about to kick into high gear, and the best is yet to come. As we prepare to blend our star ingredients, a sweet surprise awaits. Did you know that the sugar in your Nutella jar goes through a process nearly as complex as cocoa production? From vibrating machines to precise measurements, the journey of this crucial component is anything but simple. Sugar plays a vital role in creating Nutella's beloved taste, but its importance goes far beyond just sweetness. This versatile ingredient contributes to the spread's texture, helps preserve its quality, and balances the flavors of other components. The sugar used in Nutella often begins its journey in vast fields of sugar beets. When harvest time arrives, specialized machinery moves through the rows, carefully uprooting and collecting these nutrient-rich vegetables. The beets then undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any soil or debris that might compromise the final product's quality. Once cleaned, the sugar beets face their next challenge: transformation. Large machines shred the beets into thin strips, increasing their surface area and preparing them for sugar extraction. This step requires precision. If the strips are too thick, they won't release enough sugar, while overly thin pieces can lead to unwanted impurities in the final product. The real magic happens in the sugar processing facilities. Here, advanced machines work tirelessly to extract and refine the sugar from the beet strips. One of the most crucial pieces of equipment is the vibratory system. This technology gently shakes the sugar crystals, helping to separate them from any remaining impurities and ensuring only the highest quality sugar makes it into your Nutella. Achieving the perfect sugar consistency for Nutella is a delicate balance. The crystals must be fine enough to blend seamlessly with other ingredients, yet not so fine that they dissolve too quickly and affect the spread's texture. This is where the expertise of food scientists and the precision of modern machinery truly shine. Beyond its sweet contribution, sugar plays a critical role in preserving Nutella's quality. By binding with water molecules, sugar helps prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms, extending the product's shelf life without the need for artificial preservatives. As the sugar awaits its moment to join the hazelnut paste and cocoa powder, anticipation builds. The question on everyone's mind: how many ingredients actually go into creating this beloved spread? While the exact formula is a closely guarded secret, we know that Nutella contains 7 main ingredients. Each one, including our carefully processed sugar, plays a crucial role in creating the iconic taste and texture we all know and love. With the sugar ready, our Nutella mixture is beginning to take shape. The sweet science behind this seemingly simple ingredient reveals the care and complexity involved in crafting each jar. As we move forward in the production process, The true alchemy of Nutella is about to unfold, transforming these individual components into a harmonious blend that has captured taste buds around the world. With sugar and cocoa in place, Nutella's recipe seems nearly complete. But there's a missing piece of the puzzle, one that transforms this spread from merely sweet to sublimely smooth. It's time to uncover the surprising truth about how Nutella sources its most delicate ingredient and why happier farm animals might be the key to your morning toast. Milk plays a crucial role in giving Nutella its irresistibly creamy texture. But not just any milk will do. Nutella exclusively contracts farms that prioritize the well-being of their cows, believing that contented animals produce sweeter, higher quality milk. These farms implement practices that ensure the cows are comfortable, well-fed and stress-free, resulting in milk that meets Nutella's exacting standards. Once the milk arrives at the production facility, it faces a battery of rigorous quality tests. Samples are analyzed for composition, purity, and any potential contaminants. Only milk that passes these strict criteria moves on to the next stage of production. This meticulous process ensures that every jar of Nutella contains milk of the highest quality. However, maintaining milk quality throughout the production process presents significant challenges. Milk is a delicate ingredient, susceptible to spoilage and contamination. To overcome these hurdles, Nutella employs a clever solution, transforming liquid milk into milk powder. This transformation is a critical step in Nutella production. The liquid milk undergoes a carefully controlled drying process that removes water while preserving the milk's nutritional benefits. The resulting powder is more stable, has a longer shelf life, and blends seamlessly with the other ingredients in Nutella. Beyond its role in texture, milk contributes valuable nutrients to Nutella. It provides essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health. This nutritional boost adds another dimension to Nutella's appeal, making it more than just a tasty treat. As the milk powder awaits its moment to join the other ingredients, anticipation builds. How will this carefully processed component affect the final product? The answer lies in the intricate relationship between milk quality and taste. Higher quality milk leads to a richer, creamier final product, enhancing Nutella's overall flavor profile and mouthfeel. With the addition of milk powder, our Nutella mixture is tantalizingly close to completion. The careful sourcing, rigorous testing, and precise processing of this crucial ingredient demonstrate the attention to detail that goes into every jar. As we approach the final stages of production, the true alchemy of Nutella is about to unfold, transforming these individual components into the beloved spread that has captured hearts and taste buds worldwide. Just when you thought Nutella couldn't get any more intriguing, we encounter an ingredient that's both essential and divisive. Why would Ferrero risk including something so controversial in their beloved spread? The answer lies in a delicate balance between texture, taste, and global responsibility. Palm oil is a crucial component in Nutella's recipe, playing a vital role that might surprise you. This versatile oil prevents the spread from solidifying, ensuring that perfect creamy consistency we all know and love. It's not just about texture, though. Palm oil also enhances the overall taste of Nutella, contributing to its irresistible flavor profile. The journey of palm oil begins in vast plantations, where palm fruit is harvested from towering trees. These fruits undergo a meticulous process of sterilization before being mechanically pressed to extract the precious oil. It's this oil that will eventually find its way into millions of Nutella jars around the world. However, the production of palm oil comes with significant environmental concerns that have sparked heated debates. The expansion of palm oil plantations has been linked to deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and increased greenhouse gas emissions. These issues have led to widespread criticism of palm oil use in food products, including our beloved Nutella. Ferrero, the company behind Nutella, hasn't turned a blind eye to these concerns. In response to growing environmental awareness, they've made substantial commitments towards sustainable palm oil sourcing. Their goal is to ensure that all palm oil used in Nutella comes from certified sustainable plantations. This effort aims to minimize the environmental impact while still maintaining the spread's iconic texture and taste. While alternatives to palm oil exist, they often come with their own set of limitations. These substitutes can be more expensive or less effective at achieving the desired consistency in spreads like Nutella. The unique properties of palm oil make it challenging to replace without compromising the product's quality or increasing its cost. As we approach the final stages of Nutella production, the palm oil stands ready to join the other ingredients. Its addition will transform the mixture into the smooth, spreadable treat we all know and love. But how exactly does palm oil create that signature Nutella texture? Its balanced blend of saturated and unsaturated fats allows it to remain semi-solid at room temperature. This property gives Nutella its perfect consistency. Not too runny, not too firm, but just right for spreading on your favorite bread or pastry. With all ingredients now assembled, we stand on the brink of the final transformation. The hazelnuts, cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and palm oil are poised to become something greater than the sum of their parts. As we move into the last stage of production, the true magic of Nutella is about to unfold before our eyes. You might think you know Nutella, but have you ever wondered how millions of jars maintain that exact same creamy consistency and rich flavor? The answer lies in a high-tech mixing process that's far more complex and fascinating than you might imagine. At the heart of Nutella production are advanced machines that blend the hazelnut paste with cocoa powder, sugar, milk powder, and other ingredients. These aren't simple mixers, they're precision instruments designed to create the perfect emulsion. The process is crucial for achieving Nutella's signature smooth texture and ensuring every bite is as delicious as the last. The mixing stage is where the magic truly happens. As the ingredients come together, the natural oils from the cocoa and hazelnuts play a vital role. These oils help transform the mixture into a silky, smooth paste, creating the luxurious mouthfeel that Nutella fans adore. But achieving this consistency isn't as simple as throwing everything into a giant bowl and stirring. The emulsification process is particularly critical. It ensures that the oil-based and water-based ingredients blend seamlessly without separating. This step requires precise control over factors like temperature, mixing speed, and duration. Even the tiniest deviation could result in a product that doesn't meet Nutella's exacting standards. Throughout the mixing process, quality control measures are in place to guarantee consistency. Samples are regularly taken and analyzed for texture, flavor, and appearance. Advanced sensors monitor the mixture's properties in real time, allowing for immediate adjustments if needed. Once the perfect blend is achieved, it's time for packaging. The production line switches into high gear, with state-of-the-art machines working in unison to fill, seal, and pack jars at an impressive rate. The Nutella is poured into glass jars immediately after mixing, a practice designed to preserve its freshness and quality. Specialized equipment ensures that each jar is filled to the correct level without wasting a drop of the precious spread. The iconic Nutella jar itself is a marvel of design, carefully crafted to enhance both appeal and functionality. Its distinctive shape and label are instantly recognizable on store shelves worldwide, a testament to the brand's global popularity. But how does Ferrero maintain such consistent quality across millions of jars? The answer lies in rigorous quality control at every stage of production. From ingredient selection to the final packaging, each step is meticulously monitored and controlled. This unwavering commitment to quality ensures that whether you're opening a jar in New York or New Delhi, you're guaranteed the same delightful Nutella experience. As the freshly filled jars make their way down the production line, our journey comes full circle. The humble hazelnut that began in a Turkish grove has been transformed, becoming part of a globally beloved spread. It's a testament to the intricate processes and dedication behind every jar of Nutella, turning simple ingredients into a product that brings joy to millions around the world. From a Turkish grove to your breakfast table, we've followed the incredible journey of a single hazelnut as it became part of the world's favorite chocolate spread. The complex process behind each jar of Nutella spans continents and involves countless hands, from farmers to food scientists. Nutella's staggering production of nearly 100 million jars annually showcases its global appeal. Yet behind this massive scale lies a commitment to quality and sustainability. As one Ferrero executive stated, "Our commitment to sustainability is not just about sourcing, it's about ensuring that every jar of Nutella reflects our dedication to quality and the environment." The next time you spread Nutella on your toast, take a moment to appreciate the story behind it. From the carefully cultivated hazelnuts to the precisely mixed ingredients, each jar represents a remarkable blend of nature, science, and human ingenuity. It's a testament to the global effort that goes into creating a simple pleasure we often take for granted.